guys, welcome to a new video, new episode of Goa series. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. Today is day 4. Now the time is 4 o'clock and we had breakfast. We checked into Olive Kalangut Hotel. To watch the previous episode, I'll leave a link in the I button. You can check that out. And yes, in the morning we went to Chapora Fort. So all of that is in that video. Now we are in Olive Kalangut, Olive by Mira. And now we are planning to go to Para Road. Para Road is where the love you zindagi song was shot. The road filled with coconut trees on both the sides. So road having coconut trees on both the sides. We are going there. After that, we'll come back to room, change, and then go to Baga Beach and dip in the water and have some fun there. Settle by the beach bed and just enjoy the night. That's the plan. Baga Beach has the vibe. So it's May today, May 4th, Saturday, and there's no crowd. Crowd is very less, not like the crowd you expect in December's, right? November, December, that kind of crowd is missing because it's off season. Nobody visits during this time. You'll get hotels for cheaper rates, that's for sure, but the crowd is missing. If you're looking for that vibe of Goa, that is missing. But Baga Beach at night, the pubs and clubs have the vibe because there a lot of people come. And yesterday we went there, we were dancing to music, and that music stopped at 10. So you have to reach around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. This is my outfit of the day. I changed. Today I'm planning to wear 3 dresses because I carried clothes, I have to wear it now. So this is one dress. Wore it to our Udaipur vlog. We went to Rajasthan. That Udaipur vlog, I leave a link in the I button. You can watch that. And this accessories, this one, I bought it in Goa itself. Last time when we came to Goa, in Arambol Beach, 400 bucks I paid for this. I don't think it's worth it, but whatever. So गोवा का सामान गोवा में ही फिर से देखिए अपना आउटफिट दिखाने आए हैं हमारे महाराज गुरुजी. ये इसका बीच शर्ट, ब्लू शॉर्ट्स. We are going to Para Road. You have to search on Google Maps as Coconut Tree Para Road. Also Google reviews are very bad. They are saying they are looting people by charging 50 rupees parking, though it's just a public road it is, and all sorts of things people are saying. So you can actually click videos on any random road. There are a lot of coconut trees on both the sides at so many places, This is one road which has trees on both the sides. This is not actual Para Road. It's another 500 meters away from this. But you can still shoot here. You will come to know. And we parked here only, 700 meters away from the actual place so that they don't charge us parking and all that shit. This is the Para Road, not yet. Actual Para Road where people are standing and clicking pictures, videos. Oh, this is special because both sides there is barren land. Both sides? One side there is barren land. Both sides, but why? Oh, here they are charging parking, pay and park. Some small land they have taken. Somebody's land they are charging 50 rupees parking over there. We didn't stop anywhere on that Para road. 50 rupees parking they were charging. I was already pissed, so we didn't stop anywhere. We just clicked pictures here in this road and then we just went there. We just took moving videos in our vehicle. On our scooty we took moving shots, and then we are leaving from here. We'll go back to room, change, and then go to Baga Beach.
2,000 years later.
I had a dress change to go to the beach. The plan is to play in water now. I wore cotton clothes. I guess bad idea. But then I was too confused and finally wore this. Baga Beach is about 2 kilometers from where we are staying. Takes about 5 minutes. This is Tito's Lane in the daylight. This is that pub called there is that pub called Tito's. This is that Tito's Lane road. The vibe of this road is at evening or after night only. The vibe of that lane is after 7 p.m. After darkness they light all the lights and it looks very good. So this is Baga Beach. They are doing parasailing and all. These shacks are where they put tables in the daytime to have food, serve, and in the nighttime it's all open for dance. Set up karka sajaka. For night they are setting up everything. Some water sports counter it seems. And वो देखने के बाद महाराज को अब करना है पैरासेलिंग. Last time we came for parasailing, right? It was 2,400 per person package of water sports. It's all unaudible here. Now it is 1,200 only for parasailing, he's saying. I don't know if it's worth it or not. Playing horrendously loud music. It is inaudible. Oh, now beach sunset for us. What about water sports? What do you want to do? Confused. They are charging 1,200 for parasailing, and that counter they are saying it's closed there. ये आदमी पानी में जा रहा है पागल. There is a big wave now, see? Parasailing over there. See the sunset. We had a great time at the beach dipping by the water, and at 6 o'clock exactly the police came and stopped us from going into the water because of high tides. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Do watch some great pictures which we clicked. Please do subscribe if you're new and hit that like button and tell me all your thoughts in the comment section. I'll pin the first comment. Until I see you next time, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.